Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add ebook to your Shopify. First of all, just open the Shopify admin. Before we add the actual product, you need to go to the Shopify App Store. It's just appsshopify.com, and then you want to go to the search bar and you want to type digital downloads like that, and you can see just click on to the digital downloads, and the one that we are looking for is this app right here, digital downloads by FileMonk, and it's built for Shopify. So go ahead and click onto that, and then just click the black install button, and then it will load up and we can grant access into our Shopify store. So just wait for it to load. Now when you get this prompt, install app, click on to install app, and that should install the application into your Shopify store. So as you can see underneath apps, it says FileMonk. So you can just click here where it says, I'm just going to say how did you hear about it, say searching on App Store, then click on to get started. Now you need to select the plan. We are just going to use the free plan, which allows you to upload a PDFs of 250 megabytes. That's more than enough. You just need to click here where it says start a plan. Just click on to subscribe. We are going to subscribe to free plan, and right here now we need to upload our file into the FileMonk. So here where it says upload file, just click on to that, and we are going to upload the PDF. So I'm going to basically click on upload, then go to your downloads and upload a PDF file. Click on to that, and that's going to upload the PDF, as you can see. So now if I go to products and then I go to add product at the top right hand corner, then I'm just going to make this a test PDF ebook, and then put your description in here full of your information, then add your media. We are going to sell it for $10. Then you want to include your price for the product, then scroll down, and right here where it says quantity, we can just put like 100 or 1000, whatever you want. And you can also check this box that says continue selling when out of stock, and importantly you want to uncheck this box that says this is a physical product cause it's only a PDF. So once you actually click on to save, after you follow up all of your information, you can see here we need to add the PDF to this product. So here where it says more actions, click on that, and you want to go to where it says manage digital downloads. Then you should be able to select your PDF from the where we upload it again real quick. Go to your downloads, and I'm going to choose the PDF. Click on to open, and then you can see it's uploaded. So now if I click onto this PDF product, you will be able to see here that the PDF is attached to it. So that is now included into their product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.